Take control of your household finances with Budgeting Tips for Families, your practical guide to saving more and spending smarter, now available for just $9.99. Managing a family budget can be tough, but this ebook makes it simple with clear, actionable steps to help you cut costs, build savings, and plan ahead for a secure future. Learn proven strategies tailored for families, backed by expert advice designed to bring real financial stability. Whether you're building an emergency fund or managing monthly expenses, this guide gives you the tools to succeed. If you order day trading stocks, a path to financial freedom today for just $49, you'll get 21 financial books free worth over $200 to help build wealth for your family and business. Visit wmfinancialinfo.com and start building a smarter financial future today. Don't forget to follow our page and subscribe for more inspiring books, exclusive offers, and life-changing reads only on wmfinancialinfo.com.